So it is early Monday morning and we're getting ready to go to work, but I thought it would be a good idea to pre-game our enchilada sauce for our enchiladas this afternoon for less mess, basically. I don't want to have so much going on. I just want to build enchiladas and go. You can tell I'm not lying because Kirsten here hasn't quite finished herself yet.
Okay, thanks.
And I'm dressed to run into work as soon as I finish this. So I've stemmed a bunch of pasillas and a couple of guajillo chilies. And then, this is always a pain in the butt, but I'm gonna try, if I can open these, to cut down the center of these.
Childproof.
Yeah, whatever, I'll just cut them in half, that'll be easier. Just so I can get all the seeds out, and I'm gonna make a great big mess. It's a nightmare doing this too. So while I'm doing this, we can talk a little bit about the rest of it though. So I'm gonna start dehydrating these after I get them in my colander over here and I get them rinsed off in the sink just to get all that excess dirt and debris off of them. And then on the side, I've got ready some chicken broth and a can of tomato sauce and some cumin. So I'm gonna make a little side sauce. So I use this whole can of tomato sauce, probably a tablespoon of cumin, and maybe a cup of chicken broth. And I'm gonna get that just simmering on low in one of my little pots there. And then along with dehydrating the chilies, I'm gonna put a half an onion in and what is that, 6 cloves of garlic. We'll boil that, simmer for 10 minutes, and then everything's gonna go into the blender with just a little bit of our water from our peppers, or chilies. And that's pretty much our sauce. I'll run it through the strainer. We'll talk about that when we get there.
Going in deep, y'all. It's very hot. Ready? No wonder why I haven't liked red sauce anywhere we go. This is absolutely delicious. Swear.
I'm trying to keep my mouth shut.
What? What do you want to say?
Oh, you're always bitching. Now you get it. Green sauce really doesn't belong with enchiladas.
I love green sauce though. We're gonna do that next. Mastering that next. This is fire. Good job, hun.